Okay, lawn fans, you ready? We have had an absolute ton of rain come in northwest Georgia here over the past, God, this is supposed to be the second driest month of the year, and this has been the wettest month of the year, May. But here's the lawn. I just got a cut in today. First time I've been able to put a mower on this thing in, I don't know, 5 days. I took 2 baskets off of it, which the reason why I didn't have more is because the temperatures hadn't been hitting as high as it needs to be to have all that rain and the heat to make it grow. Did the same thing over at my neighbor's lawn. Did 1 pass on it. I took up a basket on his, 2 baskets on mine. If you guys remember, I did some spot leveling here last week, I think Friday of last week, and this is Wednesday, so that's how it looks there. Here's the putting green. I did a triple cut on it just now. It's coming in pretty nicely. My plans were last Friday, I said I was gonna come out here this Friday and put out a PGR, but I'm not gonna be able to do that now because the pressure of a fungus coming in is really high right now with this humidity and all that rain we got, and this ground isn't gonna dry out anytime soon. So I gotta wait. Why am I gonna have to wait? Because if I put that PGR, plant growth regulator, out right now and a fungus hits this thing this next week, I'm gonna be in a world of hurt. It's gonna take a while for that to grow out and it'll be ugly for a while. I don't know if you guys can see those snake lines right there from all the rain. I'm gonna have to come back through with the scarifier and knock those out. But that's all that's going on right now. Everything's looking good in the lawn. The spot leveling's filling in nicely. It's just all this rain, and then it's supposed to come in again. So it's really not any time that I can put anything out because the rain will wash it away. Can't put out granular because it'll wash it away. Can't put out any liquid because the ground is, it's just saturated right now. If I were to try to put anything out on this ground right now, it's not gonna absorb. So it'd just be a waste of money. But that's all I got for you. Bermuda Brian, out.